1. Which of the following entities is primarily responsible for enforcing federal securities laws? A. FINRA. B. SEC, C. NYSE. D. SIPC. 2. FINRA Rule 2210 governs A. Arbitration procedures. B. Margin account regulation. C. Communications with the public. D. Record retention. 3. A registered representative must complete continuing education. A. Monthly. B. Every year. C. On the 2nd and 5th anniversaries, then every 3 years. D. Every 10 years. 4. Which document must be provided at or before the confirmation of a mutual fund sale? A. Annual report. B. Margin agreement. C. Summary prospectus. D. Red herring. 5. Which action is considered commingling? A. Using client funds to purchase another customer's shares. B. Combining firm capital with customer funds. C. Placing a discretionary order. D. Matching orders between accounts. 6. Which of the following has the least capital risk? A. Common stock. B. Preferred stock. C. Treasury bond. D. High-yield bond. 7. An investor who buys a bond at a premium will experience A. Higher yield to maturity. B. Lower yield to maturity. C. No change in return. D. Negative interest. 8. Which security represents ownership in a corporation? A. Treasury note. B. Corporate bond. C. Preferred stock. D. Common stock. 9. What is a key feature of a callable bond? A. It cannot be traded in secondary markets. B. The issuer can redeem it before maturity. C. The investor can convert it into equity. D. It guarantees principal. 10. Which of the following is not subject to market risk? A. Money market fund. B. Common stock. C. Corporate bond. D. REIT. 11. An order to buy or sell at the best available price is A. Stop order. B. Limit order. C. Market order. D. Day order. 12. Which entity facilitates the auction market for listed securities? A. Market maker. B. Specialist DMM. C. Transfer agent. D. Broker-dealer. 13. The bid-ask spread is best defined as A. The commission charged by a broker. B. The profit margin of the issuer. C. The difference between what buyers are willing to pay and sellers want to receive. D. The average daily trading volume. 14. Which of the following is traded in the over-the-counter OTC market? A. NYSE listed securities. B. NASDAQ securities. C. T-bills. D. ADRs. 15. The primary purpose of a prospectus is to A. Offer trading advice. B. Detail insider activity. C. Disclose material information for informed decisions. D. Provide investment guarantees. 16. Which of the following requires a signed margin agreement? A. Cash account. B. Individual retirement account. C. Margin account. D. Joint tenants account. 17. When opening a discretionary account, the customer must grant authorization, A. verbally, B. in writing, C. with a cosigner, D. by power of attorney only. 18. A client says, I want income with safety. You should recommend A. Growth mutual fund, B. Treasury bonds, C. Common stock, D. Options. 19. A 75-year-old investor with no income wants capital preservation. The most suitable investment is A. High-yield bond fund, B. Treasury securities, C. Equity index fund, D. Convertible preferred shares. 20. Which regulation requires firms to know your customer? A. Regulation T, B, Rule 144. C. FINRA Rule 2090. D. Regulation D. 21. A mutual fund's net asset value NAV is calculated, A. quarterly, B. weekly, C. daily, D. hourly. 22. Class A mutual fund shares typically charge, A. contingent deferred sales charge, B. front-end load, C. no load, D. redemption fee only. 23. Which of the following retirement plans is tax-deferred? A. Roth IRA, B. Traditional IRA, C. Coverdell ESA, D. Health savings account. 24. The 12b-1 fee in a mutual fund compensates, A. the fund manager's salary, B. shareholder dividends, C. distribution and marketing expenses, D. custodian fees. 25. What happens when a fund is closed-end? A. it offers new shares daily, B. its shares trade on an exchange, C. it's not available to public, D. it's open only to accredited investors. FINRA exams. The FINRA exams are a series of professional qualification tests administered by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority FINRA to assess the competency of individuals working in the U.S. securities industry. These exams, including the Securities Industry Essentials SIE and specialized series exams e.g., Series 6, 7, 63, 65, and 66, evaluate a candidate's knowledge of regulatory rules, investment products, market functions, and ethical standards. Passing the appropriate FINRA exam is required for individuals seeking to become registered representatives or investment advisors. These exams are designed to protect investors and ensure that financial professionals meet strict standards of conduct, disclosure, and investor communication within the highly regulated financial services sector. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Licensing for financial professionals. Passing FINRA exams such as the SIE, Series 6, or Series 7 is mandatory for individuals seeking to legally work as brokers or investment representatives, enabling them to offer and sell financial products. 2. Industry credibility and trust. Certification through FINRA demonstrates a professional's competence, regulatory knowledge, and ethical grounding, which builds client confidence and supports stronger client relationships. 3. Career advancement. FINRA credentials open doors to specialized roles and leadership opportunities in financial firms by validating expertise and commitment to compliance and fiduciary responsibilities. 4. Investor protection. The exams ensure that professionals understand rules and practices designed to safeguard investors from fraud, misinformation, and unethical conduct. 5. Regulatory compliance. Employers rely on FINRA certification to maintain compliance with federal and industry regulations, avoiding legal penalties and fostering a culture of accountability.